Hello and welcome back to Accidentally Country. I'm going to tell you a little secret about chickens. They're kind of stupid. They love to poop in their water and also knock it over. So I'm going to show you the best water system that will hold water for potentially a month. So follow along, and this is Accidentally Country. So you only need three things to make this water feeder: a bucket, a drill, and this product from Egglux that I'll link below. There's many like it, so you don't have to choose Egglux, but it's one that I choose and it's pretty easy to do. So this little package includes 8 of these little water nipple pins along with its own drill bit. And what I love is you just screw on as many attachments as you want along the bucket. The chicken will come up and actually press on this little nipple pin and the water will distribute once it comes out. What's great about these things is chickens are attracted to orange or bright colors, and they're also attracted to shiny things, so you probably don't even need to teach them how to hit this button. They'll likely do it on their own. But watch at the end and we'll see how long it takes them to actually do this. So what I try to do is leave a little bit of elevation here, not to go to the very bottom, just so the chickens don't strain their necks a lot. I will also prop this up a little bit so to help them with that. So now all you have to do is unscreen the wing nut. You have a tight seal here that'll go on the outside. What you want to make sure is this little pointy thing sticks to the outside, because that's where the water droplets will actually land and make it easier for them to drink. So you put it in on this side. May have to twist it a little bit. Now all you do is screw the wing nut in the back. I could not recommend this water feeder more. I can't imagine a better one out there. There is one safety feature though I just want to make sure you're aware of, or safety item. Make sure you check this every week, every 2 weeks. One time I checked it and they were actually out of water because it was really hot. You can't see the water in here, so there can be a risk if you don't check it regularly. That depends on how many chickens you have and how frequently you check it. But other than that, this is definitely the way to go. Thanks for watching Accidentally Country. We'll see you next time.